Good morning, students. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the topic cell, the basic unit of life. I am going to explain about the cell, the basic unit of life. Here we'll go for the basics about the cell. Actually, here cell, when we call cell phone also we can call cell, and the battery which is there in the your TV remote we can call it is also cell. But cell, actually this cell is not about your cell phone and that phone battery. Okay, cell, what is cell? Actually cell is the minute particle. Cell is the minute particle. Minute means very small, tiny, you can't see with your naked eye. జనరల్గా మనం మన సాధారణ కంటితోని సెల్ని చూడలేం. ఓకే, అంత చిన్న సైజులో ఉంటుంది అనమాట. ఓకే, సెల్ ఈజ్ ద మైన్యూట్ పార్టికల్ విచ్ ఈజ్ ప్రజెంట్ ఇన్ లివింగ్ బాడీ. లివింగ్ అంటే బ్రతికున్న వాటిలోనే ఉంటుంది అనమాట. లెట్స్ సీ ద ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ యూ అబౌట్ ద సెల్. ఓకే, సెల్, వాట్ ఈజ్ సెల్? యాక్చువల్లీ సెల్, ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఓన్లీ ప్రజెంట్ ఇన్ ఏ లివింగ్ బాడీ. ఓకే, ఓన్లీ టూ. Okay, plant is a living body and animal also living body. Okay, we also comes under animal only. Okay, plant is a living body and animal is a living body. On earth these two only are the living bodies. These two contain cell. Okay, I will give you the basic structure about the cell. Generally our body, this much size of the body, like ant to elephant, these two bodies are made up of cells, n number of cells. Okay, let's see what are the cells, how these cells are together and forms a huge body like animals, like elephant. Okay, cell is a minute particle. Cells are very small in size. Okay, these are we can call cells. Okay, if number of cells are together, okay, combination of number of cells, it forms as a tissue. Tissue means meat, mamsam, which is present in our body. This finger is there, it is made up of tissue. Okay, heart is there, made up of tissue. Okay, this tissue is made up of n number of cells. This tissue is made up of n number of cells. Okay, if all the tissues are together, it form a organ. Eye is there, hand is there, leg is there. Okay, these all are the basic from the cells. If number of cells are together, we call tissue. If tissues are together, we call organ. If all the organs are framed together, we call it is a body. Okay, generally when we see the animal and ourselves, human beings, we have head, hands, legs, stomach, neck. Okay, n number of parts. Okay, some number of parts we have in our body. These all are made by cells. Okay, cells framed together is called tissue. Tissues are together, we call organ. All the organs are framed together, we can call body. I think you got some information about the cell. Cell is the minute particle, but without cell there is no living body. Okay, many cells are, n number of millions of cells are present in our body. Every day they forms new cells in the body and old cells will die. Okay, let's come. This is about the animal. When we comes to plant, it starts with a seed to stem divided into leaves to branches, these branches having number of leaves. Okay, this is also finally it forms like a huge body, banyan tree. Okay, this tree also made up of cell. So that's what we call cell is the basic unit of life. Without cells there is no body, so we can say that cell is the basic unit of life. Without cells, there is no body. Understood? Okay, cell is the basic, means base. Okay, starting. Without cell, there is no body. Okay, now you know what is cell. Cell is a minute particle. Cell is a minute particle and the basic unit of life. What is life? Living body is called life. Okay, living body is called life. What are the living bodies present on earth? Plant and animal. These two are made up of cells. Okay, let's imagine the who invented cell. Let's come to know the who invented cell. A British scientist, one of the British scientists, he invented the cell. First cell invented by British scientist name is Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke. Okay, remember the name Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke discovered the cell. Robert Hooke discovered the cell in plant body. Okay, and when he invented the cell in the year of 1665, in the year of 1665, Robert Hooke invented a cell. Remember, Robert Hooke, a person, British scientist, he invented a cell in the year of 1665. 1665. Finally, he said the cells are present. Before only cells are present, but he invented all the cells are framing together and it forms a body. He given some explanation how body is framed. Body is framed by cells. Cells are the basic unit of life. Life is a living body, that is plant and animal. Let's imagine. Okay, here you will get one doubt. Sir is saying that you can't see with your naked eye. Then how Robert Hooke invented? Okay, first Robert Hooke, he invented single length microscope. Single length microscope. Through his own microscope, he invented cell. Okay, through his own made microscope, single lensed microscope, he invented cell. So at that time, cell, he invented the cell. Okay, so let's imagine cell is like this, and some of the organelles are present in a cell. Some of the organelles are present in a cell. Let's see the main organelle which is present in a cell is, this is the cell body. Now I can say that this is the cell body, but not this much size, just we are imagining it. Okay, cell, this is the cell body. Okay, cell having at the center of the cell body, there is a nucleus. Every cell having nucleus, plant cell or animal cell, having the nucleus in the center. Can you understand? Understood? What is cell? Cell is the basic unit of life. Oka life form kavalante cell is important. A cell tone all the number of cells and oka daggara kaliste tissue form aitadi. Tissue is like a meat piece, mamsa mukka, chicken mukka, mutton mukka, like that. Tissue, if number of tissues are together, it forms as a organ. Okay, organ. Sometimes chicken center వెళ్ళినప్పుడు మీకు లెగ్ పీస్ కావాలా, లెగ్ని కట్ చేయాలా అని అడుగుతాడు. ఓకే, జనరల్లీ వెన్ వి టాక్, అప్పుడు లెగ్ పీస్ని కట్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? టిష్యూస్ అవుతుంది. ఓన్లీ లెగ్ అయితే ఏమవుతుంది? ఆర్గాన్ అవుతుంది. అంతే కదా, ఆర్గాన్ అంతే. ఇమాజిన్. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ ఆర్గాన్స్ ఆర్ టుగెదర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ బాడీ. Organs are together, it is called body. Okay, now we can say that cell is invented by British scientist. His name is Robert Hooke. In the year of 1665, he invented the cell. Cell is, we can imagine like this, and cell we can't see with our naked eye. Cells we can see only with through microscope. Through microscope. Tomorrow onwards I am going to use microscope, and this is the nucleus present in the cell. Now I will ask you, what is cell? You have to say that cell is the basic unit of life. Cell is the basic unit of life. Cell is invented by Robert Hooke in the year of 1665. This is the basic lesson about the cell. Tomorrow onwards we will go through practical.